Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you want to make your Shopify store easier for customers to navigate and help them quickly find exactly what they're looking for, setting up filters is a fantastic place to start. By the end of this tutorial, I'll show you how to create both basic and custom filters for your store collections, so your visitors can sort through products with ease, just like they would on any major online retailer. Let's jump right into it. First, we need to access the right tool for the job. Head to your Shopify admin dashboard, and in the search bar at the top, just type Search and Discovery. This is Shopify's dedicated app for managing how customers explore your store, and it's packed with features, including the filters we're about to set up. If you haven't already installed this app, don't worry, it only takes a minute. Click on it in the results, and then you'll see an option to install. Go ahead with the installation. It's completely free from Shopify and integrates directly into your store. Once the app is installed, you'll land in the main area where you can manage all your store's filtering and search options. Look for a tab or a section called Filters. That's where we're heading next. Click it, and then you'll see a button like Add Filter. This is where the magic happens. Click on Add Filter to start creating your very first filter. Now, you'll be able to select what kind of filter you want to add. Shopify gives you a variety of choices here. You can filter by things like product type, vendor, price, availability, and more. For example, if you sell clothing, maybe adding filters for sizes or colors would help your customers narrow down their options more quickly. Choose any filter that makes sense for your products and your customers. Don't be afraid to think from your shopper's perspective. Why do they come to your store? What do they most often want to sort by? Once you've made your selection, simply save your changes. Sometimes, it might take a moment or two for Shopify to update things in the background, so don't worry if your filters don't appear right away. Next step, let's see these filters in action. To do that, go to Online Store in your Shopify admin, and then click on Preview for your live store. Head over to one of your collection pages. This could be a specific category like shoes, home decor, or whatever fits your business. Scan the page and check for your new filters, usually shown on the left or above your product grid. Try them out. Select a few options to see if they filter your products as expected. If you don't see your filter just yet, give it a few minutes. Shopify's system sometimes needs a short while to apply new changes. The great part is, you're not limited to just one filter. If you think of other ways you want customers to browse, maybe by brand, material, or even custom tags, you can repeat the process and keep adding filters as often as you need. The goal here is to make shopping in your store as smooth and enjoyable as possible, giving your visitors the power to find what they need without endless scrolling. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now equipped with custom collection filters. This simple upgrade can make a huge difference in user experience and, ultimately, your sales. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want more tips for customizing your store, just drop a comment below. For more easy step-by-step Shopify guides, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store.